Is the 72 is the electric? Is the 72 in the section for protection in Lima? Optional, okay? Section light sanitation in Lima. Number 42A front of Wilson, and we'll take on West Stop West 10. Left turn on the outer perimeter, right turn.
Flight 605 to Los Angeles. Now ready for boarding. Gate 15.
Where are you going, Tony Smith? Tony and his mother are going to fly from Washington, D.C. to California, all the way across the whole United States.
Helicopter service for Washington's National Airport. Now ready for departure. Gate C, South Concourse. All aboard, please. Trans World Airlines, Starstream Flight 99, Royal Ambassador Service, non-stop to Los Angeles. Now ready for departure, Gate 20.
Their jet plane is nearly ready to take off, but it can't go yet. Before Tony's plane can take off, at least 55 people will have to do their jobs. People whom Tony will never see or think about. Some of these jobs were done hours ago in the airport kitchen. It takes a lot of people to prepare enough food for a whole airplane full of hungry passengers. And it takes even more people to carry the boxes of dinners to the plane. In the basement of the airport, strong hands move Tony's suitcase to a cart. A cart that another man will drive to the plane. Ticket jobs, kitchen jobs, suitcase jobs, but who takes care of the airplane? Last night, people scrubbed the big jet until it sparkled, outside and inside. Can you guess what this man is doing? Why is he wiggling wheels and pushing buttons? His job is to test the controls of the plane to be sure that everything works well. Is the plane ready to go yet? Almost. Here come the trucks. Each truck has a special job to do. The mail trucks, filled with bags of airmail letters that will travel on the plane. The food trucks, with men aboard to store dinners in the galley of the plane. And the baggage trucks, whose drivers load the suitcases into the jet's big empty belly. And here come the stewardesses, who'll serve Tony the dinner that he'll eat later on a tablecloth of clouds. Here's another man with an important airport job. He's a weatherman. Pilots who fly the big jets need to know exactly what kind of weather they will meet on their trip, especially if they are going to run into a storm. Now is the plane ready to go? Almost. What is this man doing with the big hose connected to the wing? He's pumping in the fuel to feed the big jet engines. Gallons and gallons and gallons of fuel. The fuel is pumped through underground pipes all the way from storage tanks at the edge of the field. Now the pilot and co-pilot are arriving. The stewardesses make sure all the food is on board. The crew make sure that every single instrument they need to fly is working properly. Now is the plane ready to take off? No, but it's ready for the passengers to board. At this airport, passengers first board a bus. This special bus, called a mobile lounge, looks as if it's a great big bug with a funny snout. A snout that moves right into the plane so the passengers can walk on board without climbing steps. The crew and passengers are on board. The food, the suitcases, the fuel. Now can the plane take off? Not yet. There are still more people who need to do their jobs. The pilot is talking to one of them now. Who are the people the pilot talks to on the radio? They are the air controllers who work in the tower at the airport. Their job is to know where every plane is, in the air and on the ground. They must make sure that one plane does not get in the way of another. They talk to the pilots on the radio about when and where they can take off and land safely. A pilot cannot move his plane until the controller gives him permission. All these people doing their jobs just so the pilot can fly the plane safely and the passengers will be comfortable. How many of these people will Tony and his mother ever see? The driver of the mobile lounge, the man who delivered the food, the baggage handlers. Will they see the man who ran the pump that gave the plane its fuel? Will Tony see the controller in the tower? At least 55 people have to do their special jobs before a jet plane is ready to fly.
TWA 99 cleared for takeoff.
Produced by the Northern Virginia Educational Television Association. Ripples was created by a consortium of 12 educational agencies in association with NIT, National Instructional Television.